Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. With this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some wonderful cheese steak soup sourdough bread bowls full of the cheese steak flavor you'd get in a sandwich. Merry COOKMAS Day 7. Thank you guys again for joining me for a whole week of COOKMAS so far. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today for the recipe of cheesesteak bowls. These ingredients are going to give us the flavors of a cheesesteak, and we're going to put them into a soup and a bread bowl. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started.
Christmas Day.
guys, so here it is. This is the cheese steak soup inside that sourdough bread bowl. In this case, we've got all the flavors of a wonderful cheesesteak sandwich inside this soup. So we've got our tender beef, we've got onions, we've got peppers, we even added some mushrooms in there, and topped it off by putting it in a bread bowl and added loads of cheese on top. Definitely give this one a try, guys, especially if you do enjoy a good cheesesteak sandwich. Hopefully you did enjoy the recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know, is it Philly cheesesteak or just cheesesteak? Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.